Hi everyone, welcome to Feel the Skill. Ever wonder how you did handle an unexpected financial hit like a medical emergency or car accident? That's where insurance come in. In today's video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about insurance, how it works, why you need it, and how it can save you from financial disaster. Stick around to become insurance savvy and secure your peace of mind. I will break it down step by step so it's easy to understand and help you avoid common mistakes. Stay with me till the end for some valuable tips that could save your time, money, and stress. Insurance, a comprehensive guide. Have you ever wondered what would happen if your house caught fire or if you were involved in a car accident? Insurance is your safeguard, ensuring you don't bear the financial burden alone. But what exactly is insurance and how does it work? At its core, insurance is a promise of compensation for a specific potential future losses in exchange for periodic payments known as premium. It provides a safety net for individuals and businesses, helping them recover from unexpected events without facing financial ruin. Key element of insurance explained. First is premium. The cost of purchasing insurance, typically paid monthly, quarterly, or annually. Premium vary based on the type of insurance, coverage amount, and risk factor. Second is policy limit. This is the maximum amount the insurance company will pay for a covered claim. For instance, in health insurance, it might be the maximum amount payable for a surgery or hospital stay. Third is deductible. The, the deductible is the out-of-pocket amount you must pay before the insurance covers the remaining cost. Higher deductible generally means lower premium and vice versa. Fourth is coverage. Coverage specifies what is protected under the policy. For example, an auto insurance policy might cover vehicle damage, theft, and third-party liability. Example of insurance in action: health insurance cover medical treatments, surgeries, and sometimes preventive care. Auto insurance cover vehicle damage, theft and liability for injuries or damage caused to others. Homeowners insurance cover damage to your home from fire, theft, or natural disaster. How insurance can help you? Insurance offers peace of mind by mitigating financial risk. Here is how it works in different scenarios. Medical emergencies. Health insurance can prevent a sudden illness from turning into a financial crisis. Accident. Auto insurance can help cover repair cost and medical bill if you have involved in a car accident. Natural disaster. Homeowners insurance can help you rebuild or repair your home after a disaster like a fire or flood. Working with a compensation lawyer in insurance cases. Sometimes you might face dispute with your insurance company such as claim denial or underpayment. A compensation lawyer can be involved in this situation. Initial consultation. During this meeting, the lawyer evaluates your cases, discusses the policy term, and advises on the best course of action. Building the cases. The lawyer collects evidence such as photos, medical report, and witness statement to build a strong case for your claim. Trial representation. If negotiation with the insurance company fail, the lawyer represents you in court advocating for fair compensation. Qualities of an excellent insurance compensation lawyer. First is expertise and experience. Choose a lawyer who specializes in insurance law and has a proven track record of handling similar cases. Second is communication skill. A good lawyer keeps you informed about your case's progress and explain complex legal terms in a way you can understand. Third is empathy and determination. A compassionate lawyer understands the emotional stress you are under and is determined to fight for your rights. What to expect is what to expect in an insurance case. Time frame. The duration of an insurance case can vary. Some cases settle quickly, while others, especially those that go to court, may take longer. Cost. Many compensation lawyers work on a continuous fee basis, meaning they only get paid if you win. This arrangement can make legal help more accessible. Possible outcome. Settlement. Often cases are resolved through a settlement where the insurance agree to pay a certain amount. Trial verdict. If the case goes to trial, a judge or jury will determine the compensation amount. In encouragement and call to action. Navigating an insurance claim can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Consulting a skilled compensation lawyer can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. Take the first step toward securing the compensation you deserve. Additional tip. Read your policy carefully. Understand the terms, condition and exclusion of your policy. Document everything. Keep detailed record of your claim, communication and any related expenses. Seek professional help early. If you are unused about your right or the claim process, consult a lawyer sooner rather than later. In summary, the insurance is a critical component of financial planning, offering protection against unforeseen events. By understanding the key element of insure and knowing when to seek legal advice, you can ensure you are adequately protected and prepared to handle any challenges that comes your way. Now that you have a better understanding of how insurance can protect you and your asset, it's time to take action. Review your current policy, ask questions, and ensure you're fully covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Remember, a little preparation today can save you a lot of stress tomorrow. If you have any question or need more information, leave a comment below. I did love to hear your thought and help where I can. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to Feel the Skill for more simple and practical advice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.